Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Postmark'd Studio subscription box. I am playing around with some new camera equipment, so if it looks brighter, that's because it is. I'm so excited. I even have like a remote that's supposed to turn on my phone, but I can't figure it out, so that's a problem for another day. Anyway, if you're not familiar with this subscription box, this is $25. It does come with 4 to 5 handmade cards from different letterpresses, different independent letterpresses. Each box is themed. There's also postage, and there's always like one like fun item that goes along with everything. Super, super cute. And I'm trying to get all my December boxes done in December so that we can enjoy all the Christmas vibes during the Christmas season. So we're like gonna open this one together right now. I love this box. This month the little card came with my name on it. I'm hoping now that with all this light we'll be able, oh look, it has a seal. How cute is that? All right. So, may your holidays sparkle with moments of love, laughter, and goodwill, and the year ahead be full of contentment and joy. Happy holidays. And that's the curator. So that's super cute. And I'm thinking this will have a Christmas vibe to it. They're always so well put together. The insert is always super in-depth and like helps you like really understand where the card came from, the company that makes it. And then the back is always like something that you can do or little facts or something like this. So this month it's St. Jude's Ranch for Children, with help comes hope. So I think that there is, you can send mail to these. St. Jude's Ranch happily accepts used holiday greeting cards all year round with a few simple requests. So you can send in your used greeting cards. Only the card front can be used. Please check to be sure the backside of the front of the card is clear of any writing. And you can send those to them. I don't know what they do with it, but I'll figure that out. And I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Postmark'd Studio with my affiliate link so you can check them out. But I like that they include this on the back because there's sometimes there's a philanthropic aspect to it where you can give back. And around this time of year, you know, like we buy. It's nice to do something that's giving without like, it's just selfless. So there's that. Oy vey. All right, now let's get in here. So, oh my goodness. Oh, it's penguin themed. Oh my gosh. Look. How cute is this? Look at the bow tie. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? All right. So anyway, I keep thinking I didn't get a picture. Every box comes with a pencil with Postmark'd Studio on it. It's blue from the ferrule to the eraser to the actual pencil. It's all blue. They're all wrapped up in a bow tie, which is so cute. So cute. All right. I should put it on, shouldn't I? It'd be so stunning. All right. Here's our little insert. Every box comes with one of these this month. It's stamped with a penguin. All right. First up, we have a Pucaka penguin paper craft postcard. So there's this guy. He's like very like geometric on the front. Oh, this is like, okay. So this is a postcard, but this is like a craft. Like you open it up. Can you see in there? There's like little dimensions that you could fold it up and turn it into this little penguin guy. That's why he's so geometrical. All right. Next we have, oh my gosh, this foil. How pretty. This is from CatherineGreenUp.com, made in Cambria, California, USA. So these are all blank inside, by the way. I should mention that. So you can write whatever you want inside. It's really like, if you like to write letters to friends or keep in touch with people, this is a wonderful, wonderful subscription. All right. Sending you all the warm fuzzies this holiday. Oh my God. This is from Harkin Press Design and Paper Goods. So look at the colors. Oh, isn't it so cute? Oh. You make me happy when skies are gray. Oh, from you are my sunshine. So this is from The First Snow, made in Colorado. Look at, hold on. So look at that. It's like got that antique-y white color. It's like very vintage. And then the envelope has this like fun foiled gold polka dot scheme. Oh, so cute. All right. Have you seen anybody more excited about cards before? Because I think I might be the most excited. All right, here's a happy birthday card. So if you know somebody in December, this is really nice. Or save it for January, February, because it's still applicable. This little guy's so cute. Look at the little squigglers on there, on his tongue. This is from Ninth Letter Press, made in the USA. Made in the USA. All right, and then, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh You're not leaking, are you? Better. Oh, it is a little bit. It's a little bit leaking. Don't shake that guy around. All right, so this is an official flurrygram. Let it snow. Just add water. So this is a card that you would give to somebody that has given your children blocks or something small. You send them this, and then I actually know, I know who I'm sending this to. We had a friend send our kids Orbeez that you can make at home. So I'm going to send this to them for Christmas. It's so cute. Look at the snow. But they open it up and snow everywhere. But this actually, I think, turns into maybe slime or something like that. Mail a snowy surprise. This is from Inklings. Inklings Papery. That's super cute. All right, then we've got some cute kawaii stickers. So this is from Uli Itsy Bitsy Super Cute Stickers. These are all Arctic animals, I guess is what you'd say. Penguins and polar bears. And is there an Arctic fox? There's an Arctic fox. Seals, harp seals. Just lots of little cuties on there. I love to give the kids, like, when they're just bored and they don't have anything to do, a piece of paper and a bunch of stickers and just let them have fun. They can put the stickers, as long as it's on the paper, wherever they want. All right. Our postage for the month, vintage postage. Oh, they did this last month too, and I really, really loved it. So there's the little card here, and then on the back it explains how much postage goes for, how much postage it's going to take to equal a postage stamp, because this is vintage postage, and some of them are like, okay, I'm going to show you guys because it's really, really cool. So this is Winter Olympics, old 4-cent postage. This one is a skiing. Oh, that's what this is going to be, like Winter Olympics. There. Another one. Oh, look at these. I'm not going to show you everyone, but see, and then they tell you how to equal them up to equal a real stamp. So like these here are 8-cent stamps. It's very cool. Very, very cool. I love that idea. It's just so neat, and I just love it. Also, it makes you think, like, wow, stamps used to be really cheap. Okay. I'm trying to put this all back together the way it came. I love this little doodad here. Like that. Isn't it cute? Little swirl. All right. And finally, here's our little artsy item. This is Splendid Pen Fountain. Oh, it's a fountain pen. This is also from Uli, the company that sent the stickers. So this has like a, you know, a tip. Ooh, I don't have a fountain pen. 3 black ink cartridges come with it as well. Oh, I'm so pumped to use this. All right, so that is everything that I received in my December Postmark'd Studio subscription box. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.